This brand new website is not stupid, but this is a stupidly lazy way to make over $400 every single hour and end up making thousands of dollars every single day with a brand new affiliate marketing strategy for beginners. I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so if that's something you want to see, then drop a like down below and let us begin with a full step-by-step tutorial. So for the step number one of this stupidly lazy way to make money with affiliate marketing, you will need to proceed to a platform called Google Sites. So I want you to search for Google Sites and open up sites.google.com. Then I want you to open up a blank Google site. So I want you to start a brand new blank Google site. Now don't worry, you will not have to do any HTML, you will not have to do any coding, and you will not have to pay for hosting or anything like that. So this is absolutely free, so you can actually go from zero to making thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing as soon as possible. So first of all, we're going to begin with a title. So as you can see, we can customize our website, we can add title, we can add text, we can add different layouts, different images, and much more. But before you do that, you will need to proceed to the step number 2. Once you have started a blank Google site, you want to go over to Google again and search for like 5 ways to attract money or 5 ways to save money or anything that is related to lists and money. So 5 different things related to money, like 5 ways to attract money, 5 ways to save money, 5 ways to make money, and much more. So first of all, we have 5 ways to attract money by Forbes. I'm going to open up their article and see if it's any good. You're going to start reading the article, and if you like it, and as you can see, Forbes actually will not allow me to read their article unless I disable my ad blocker. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to proceed to the next article. So I'm going to go to this one and let's see if it's any good. They have 5 different ways that we can attract money into our life. So this is a really good article that I'm going to be using later on. So what you want to do for the step number 3 is you want to use the points from that article onto your own Google website. So first of all, I'm going to be using their title, so 9 fastest ways to attract money naturally into your life. So instead of 9, I'm going to be using only 5. So I'm going to grab this title, so I'm going to double click on it, I'm going to copy the title, I'm going to go back to here, and then I'm going to paste it inside of this box. And once again, I'm going to change this to 5. And I'm also going to change the color because it will look a lot better, and also I'm going to change the font. So let's actually try out the Montserrat, I like that one. And then customize the font, so let's maybe go with this one or this one. And then I'm gonna just change the background to be white in this case. And now you want to continue to add more text. So you want to add a text box. So I'm going to add the text box below. So somewhere around here, I want to start adding those different 5 ways that people can attract money into their life. So I'm going to go back to this article which I found on Google, and then I'm going to take their quote number 1, which is manifest good habits. So I'm actually going to copy this. And then you can of course make changes to the text, which is highly recommended. You can either use Quillbot or Paraphraser.io to rewrite the text, but to make this video, way too long, I'm just gonna copy and paste it. But once again, you should definitely make some changes to the article before you paste it onto your own Google site. But I will once again just copy and paste it. And you want to do the same thing until you have 5 different ways that they can either attract money into their life, that they can either make money, or that they can save money. So let me just continue to do this until I have 5 onto my list. So now I have a full article on my Google site that talks about 5 different ways that people can attract money into their life completely naturally. Alright, let's proceed to the step number 4. Before we come back to this Google site, you will need to go over to a CPA platform called CPA Lead. And this is already cpalead.com, which is a CPA marketplace with thousands of different CPA offers for you to promote. And CPA stands for cost per action, which means that most of these offers require people to literally just enter their email address to become qualified leads by entering their email address, and you're going to be paid for that. So whenever someone submits an email, you're going to be paid for that. They don't have to buy anything, they don't have to spend any money, they literally just have to enter their email address, and you're gonna make money off of that. And it's a lot easier to make someone just enter their email address than to make them actually buy something or spend their money. So that's why this works so well, and that's why I want you to go over to cpalead.com, and then I want you to create an account by pressing the sign up button right over here. So you want to register to cpalead.com. You can either register with Google, or you can sign up with your email by entering your first and last name, enter your email address, address, create a password, confirm the password, answer the security questions. So just select one of these, enter the security answer, and then just click submit information, and you will have an account as a affiliate marketer on cpelite.com. Now, once you create an account, you simply want to log in. And once you log in into your brand new account, this is what you will be able to see. So here you can track your earnings and you can track how much money you made each day. Now, obviously, for now, it's going to say $0 because you literally just made an account. But once you start using the strategy, which I'm about to share with you in this video, you can end up making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in affiliate earnings. So first of all, in order to start promoting something with CP Elite, you want to go back and log into CP Elite as an affiliate. And then once you log in, you're going to be able to see all of these different offers that are going to pay you anywhere from like $1 all the way to a couple of dollars per email that you collect. And what I like about these offers is that in most of the cases, people have a chance to win something if they actually sign up to one of these. So for example, in this case, they can get some wallet cash rewards if they enter their email address. Now, unfortunately, this one is not paying a lot. This one is paying only 13 cents. So if today, because they're always changing their offers, if today there is no particular offer that is like win something, win some money, win some cash prizes just by entering your email address, if you cannot find an offer like that on CPA Lead, then you will need to proceed to the next platform, which is called cpagrip.com. And CPA Grip is extremely similar platform to cpalead.com. And if you have been watching this channel for a while, then you are definitely familiar with cpagrip.com. So this is another CPA network where you can sign up, you can grab some offers, and people have an incentive to sign up to those offers because they have a chance to win something. And let me show you how it works. So you will also just register an account and then you will log in. And then once you log in, you're going to be able to see, first of all of these people who are making money. Like for example, this person made $1,000, this person made $1.6 thousand, $8,000 over here, $2.3 thousand here, $1.6 thousand, $31,000. So all of these people are making a lot of money with CPA Grip. But in order for you to start making money, you will need to go over to Offer Tools and go to My Offers. And once you land onto My Offers, you want to change the country, if in this case be United States. Now, you don't necessarily need to be in United States in order to make money with CPA Grip. You can literally be anywhere in the world and you can still make money with these offers. Just the people who you refer have to be from US. So as you can see in this case, people have a chance to win a $750 PayPal gift card by submitting their email address, and you're going to win $2 per email that you collect. In this case, you will get $2.57, and they have a chance to win a $1,000 PayPal gift card. So as you can see, they have an incentive to actually enter their email address because they can win something, and that's why this works so well. So now you want to copy your affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this affiliate link that pays me $2.57, and that may not seem like a lot. You might be thinking like, Dave, one email, $2.50, and that's not a lot. But what I'm about to show you can literally get you thousands and thousands of people signing up to your link completely passively, because it's stupidly lazy and simple strategies. So just stick with me. Anyways, for the next step, you want to go back to your Google Sites. And now, since you have the article that talks about how people can attract money into their life, someone who is reading that obviously either needs money or wants to attract money into their life. And if you include an offer where they have a chance to win something by entering their email address, that is extremely targeted to that particular person, they will be way more likely to actually enter their email address, and it also doesn't cost them anything. And so what you want to do is you want to create a call to action. You want to integrate a call to action inside of the article itself. So for example, after the point number 2, I'm going to create a call to action that says, for example, literally what the title of the offer is. So get a $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. And so I'm going to copy that. So this is the title. I'm literally just copying this, then go back, paste that. And then you obviously want to make that stand out. So I'm going to make it bold, and I'm obviously going to make it a little bit bigger so they can actually see. And then I'm going to create the call to action that says, click here to claim. And so what that will do is that will make them see the call to action and then click on the text, which will then redirect them to an offer where they can submit their email address and you're going to make money. So what you want to do is you want to press this chain icon right over here to insert a link. And to insert a link, all you got to do is go back to CPA Grip and then open up that offer and grab your affiliate link. So you want to copy the affiliate link, go back, and then you want to paste that link inside of this box and press apply. So what that will do is that will make this text clickable. Now, obviously, you can also change the colors and you can change the fonts and sizes and all that stuff and play around. But I'm just going to copy the same call to action. I'm going to copy it and then integrate that one more time over here. And then I'm also gonna do it at the bottom of the text. So when they finish reading the article, they can also see that they can claim a $1,000 PayPal gift card by entering their email address. So obviously, not every single person will win a giveaway, but that doesn't really matter. They have a chance to win something, and that's what is important. You don't care if all of them win, if none of them win. Obviously, one person will win a $1,000 PayPal gift card, but it doesn't matter if they win or not. If they just submit their email address, you're still gonna make $2.57 in this case. So you're being paid per lead, just for them becoming a qualified lead, and that's it. Now, once you have a full article that talks about 5 different things related to money, and you have call to action with your affiliate link included, you wanna publish this. So you wanna click on publish the site. You wanna give it some address, so you can, of course, type in whatever you want to. So I'm gonna type in money related articles or something like that. And then I'm gonna click publish. And we're gonna have a full link, so we can now view our article. This is how it's going to look like. It talks about different things and different ways that people can attract money into their life, and as you can see, we have the call to action. So now that you have a full website created for absolutely free, so as you can see, this didn't cost a single dollar. Now you wanna copy the link for that article for your own website. Oh, this is my bad. So I'm gonna go and copy this again. And then you wanna proceed to the last step, which is to go over to a platform that we literally never talked about before. A platform that is being visited by 8.5 million people every single month, and most of them are from United States. And remember that we actually need people from US to enter their email address so you can make money. So you don't have to be from US, you can be from anywhere in the world, but people who submit their email addresses have to be from US. So that's why this platform works so well, and it's also absolutely free. So this is mev.com. So this is mev.com. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's mev. It's a brand new social media platform. It's extremely similar to Facebook, but the competition on mev is extremely low, and people who use this are actually extremely engaging with different posts. So you want to sign up to this social network. So you want to enter your first name, last name, email address, create a password, and then just create an absolutely free account. And then once you log in, once you create an account, I want you to log in. So I'm going to log into my account, and then once you log in, you're going to be able to start searching different groups over here. So as you can see, you can search different groups, and you want to search for either law of attraction groups. So those are groups where people talk about how they can attract different things like riches, love, and prosperity into their life, but you're mostly interested in people who want to attract money into their life. So you want to search for either law of attraction groups, you want to search for money related groups, for groups where people talk about saving money, making money, and everything that is related to either attracting something good into their life or something that is related to saving and making money. And then once you join all of those different groups, like you literally just go and you search for, let's for example try money, and you filter this by groups, and as you can see, retire with money, money. These groups literally have thousands of different members, and you can start joining them. So you can click join the group, you can click done, and then you can start posting into the group, and you can basically just come up with all the different posts, and make sure you're not being spammy. Don't be like, hey, read this article if you want to make money, but literally just try out something. For example, hey, I've been trying to make money online for the past couple of months and nothing worked, but I came across this article that talks about attracting money. Can someone tell me if this is legit or not, and something like that? So you don't want to be a salesy person who's just there to spam their links. You don't want to be just like, hey, click on my link. Like obviously everyone is going to see that that is an ad, and they will ban you from the group and you won't be able to do anything. But if you come across as a natural person who is just trying to provide value or help other people, then a lot of them will actually like the post, engage with the post, which will make it be seen by more people. And on top of all of that, a lot more people will actually click on the link because you're not being pushy, but you're literally just saying, hey, I found this article, if you want, read it. If not, I don't care, I just found it, I think it's valuable, or can you tell me if it's legit or not? Leave a comment down below, make them, incentivize them to engage with the post as well. And then you just paste the link of your article so they can click on it, they can read the article, and while reading the article, they can also click on your affiliate link so you can make money. Each of these groups have thousands of members. In fact, this group right over here has 2.5 thousand members who are interested in making money online. This is only one group, and there is thousands upon thousands of groups that you can join for absolutely free on this brand new social media network. If you join just 50 groups today, and each of them has 1,000 different members, that's 50,000 potential people that you can reach for absolutely free in literally less than a single hour. 50,000 people, and if just 1% of them actually sign up and enter their email address, that's gonna be 500 people. And you're being paid $2.50 per email, that can actually end up being over $1,000 in a single day in less than an hour of work. So less than an hour can equal over $1,000 in affiliate earnings. So just go out there, try it out, do it as much as you possibly can, spend some time doing this, and let me know how it worked out for you in the comments down below. I really hope you got some new idea in this video. If you did, drop a like to it, and I will see you in some of the next ones.